Are you interested in learning how to get 100% of your down payment covered through readily available government programs? In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about income limits that are required to qualify for these programs. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am your host, Leo Landaverde. I'm a commercial lender and real estate investor helping you increase your wealth. There is nothing better than real estate to increase your wealth. So if you're interested in learning how to purchase real estate right and get the financing that you need, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified every Thursday when a new video comes out.
Every year, HUD, which is Housing and Urban Development, comes up with a new established income limit guidelines, as you can see in this link. And I'm gonna walk you through a couple scenarios to let you know how that works. This is just as a reference point, and I thought it would be a good idea to start here. So this every year for the last 6 years, since we're in 2001, we're gonna check the income limits as per HUD, which regulates all. So you can go through every state. We're gonna go California, and this time we're gonna look at Alameda County. We're going to look at the county calculations. So this is what you need to know. According to HUD, the income limits for the overarching income limits for Oakland Fremont area is $125,600, and is divided into different, the average per, the number of people per household. So the higher the number of people in your household, the higher the income limit. And different programs will specify whether it is 50% or 80% of the income limit to apply. So just keep that in mind. Again, all of these links will be populated in the description section of this video. So last week I talked in length about 3 programs that we're going to discuss income limits for today. One was CalHFA, and the other one was the USDA, and the last one was the CalVET program. So let's start with CalHFA. So the California Housing and Finance Agency has a link for the limits for his subordinate products, and we clicked already here. So this is sort of what we're looking at in California because it's specific to California. So you can see all of the different counties and the different income limits. As you can tell, they're pretty high. I think it's fair to say that most middle income families will qualify. So Alameda County 236,000, Fresno County 139,000, Los Angeles County below here is 153,000. It's good that you know that because they vary according to the county that you live in. So counties that have a higher cost of living will have a higher income threshold. The same is true for those who have, a little more rural and more lesser cost of living will have lesser limits. So you can see them all here. Now that's for CalHFA. For the USDA right here has this pretty robust, huge document. Actually, it says 335 pages. So what I've done here is just basically export it to PDF, which you can. And we're gonna do a little bit of, you can actually do this feature, edit and find, and you can actually find your county. I know, Los Angeles County. So, when I did Los Angeles County, it was bringing me too many results back. So I actually did Fresno, which kind of lets you see, this is page 27. It tells you about the guaranteed housing programs for the USDA, their income limit. So if you're in Fresno, and remember what I said about HUD and how kind of regulates, that gives you low income, moderate, and very low income. And so if you're a family of 5 in Fresno, the income limit is $119,700. So if 2 spouses working together each make $60,000 per year, you still should be able to qualify for the USDA. Remember, that's for the rural areas. There is, the Los Angeles, Long Beach, Anaheim areas That puts you the moderate income guarantee loan of $173,000, which is pretty high. So I think most people will qualify for it. So I don't think you have much to worry about. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the CalVet. Now, here's the good news. In the CalVet program, first of all, you have to be retired or veteran to be able to take advantage of that. But the good news is that there's no income limit. You can basically, I was playing around with the numbers. So you say if you've done very well, whether you're working for somebody else or you're self-employed, but your annual income was $275,000, you can actually qualify for $1.1 million home. That doesn't mean you need to get that home, but it means that there is no really upper threshold on the incomes. You can basically you can make as much as you need to, so long as you're a honorably discharged vet that meet all the other criteria. You should be able to get a loan. So and as far as the income limits, and take advantage of the 100% zero down and 100% financing. So hopefully this video was helpful to you.
If you have had any experience with any of these government programs, please comment below. I'd be interested in learning about your experience. Also, if you're interested in learning how much house you qualify for, please download my free max payment mortgage calculator. Click below in the link for details. If this video was helpful to you, then watch these two videos next. They are all connected. It will be really helpful to you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And don't forget to hit the bell and you'll be notified every Thursday when a new video comes out.